think it's time for the Xiaomi 15.
And money won't buy her happiness. Yeah, she's my kind of glamorous.
And there it is with a fingerprint sensor. Wow, it is quick. 120 Hz. Very impressive. And this is a Chinese version, so we do have widgets on the left. And if you want to go to Google News, just use the app. And with the app, as you can see, it is smooth. Really smooth. I'm in Poland, so this is a Polish Google News. In your country, it will be a different language. Go into the settings, about the device, and we're greeted with Snapdragon 8 Elite 5400 battery and 50/50 camera. Oh, there's an update available. And with the update, what are we going to have? System. Now you can make voice calls via cross-device communication. But at the moment, we're interested with more important things like power. And power it is 9211, and the multi, that's the biggest score I've seen ever in any Android smartphone compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The distance is extremely vast. Extremely smooth, 60 frames per second, enemy contact. Beautiful. Camera action. This smartphone can go all the way to 4K 60 frames per second from the front-facing camera. How wide it is? Wide. Great for vlogging. Is it going to overexpose the sky? Yes, it will. An amount of the frame should compensate. Quickly. It wants to brighten up my face. A little bit of flare going on, but that's okay. It is wide, but no autofocus. And with the wide-angle lens, it is wide. Well, you have whole building in the frame. That's really cool. But you cannot switch lenses during the recording in 4K 60. You have to switch to 4K 30. Switching to 30 frames per second can go all the way to 15x. And it is stable. Great if you want to spy on people. Well, I'd recommend that. But that is a main lens. And how quick is autofocus? Quick! You can see how cold it is. Look at my hand. Cold! Well, do we have autofocus in wide-angle lens? No, we don't. So there will be no macro from wide-angle, but it will be available from the telephoto. Similar to the Galaxy S series from Samsung. Movie mode in 21:9 looks amazing. Also microphones, built-in microphones, I think one of the best in the market. You can vlog in 8K, look how stable that is, and in 30 frames per second. Also with autofocus. An amount of details is amazing. Wow, you can even vlog with 8K, but yeah, you can. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm crying because we actually did an update, a firmware update just a second ago, and you know, we can switch lenses in 4K 60 during the recording. How crazy is that? And how smooth it is. Wow. Now, why would you need autofocus in wide-angle lens? For example, if you want to vlog, no details. Then you have to switch to the main lens. Okay, you can do it with main lens, so it's fine, I guess.
When we touch, yeah, still get that first time feeling rush. She's laid back and catch you up. A real homebody, it's wonderful. I never thought that I would find someone that I can't resist. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention. Beautiful soul. This might be as close to heaven as I will ever get. I see perfection and a heart of gold. Always got my attention. Beautiful soul.
There are a couple of AI features like expand. Come on. It did! How crazy! Okay, that's... I don't know. Sound. Loud, clear, warm, beautiful. Battery life. We have to go to the settings. Then easy 2 days. Silicon carbon battery. It has all kinds of features. Charging options and even top speed charge, which is very fast. 90-watt charging. So what did we learn for the new Xiaomi 2025 smartphones? And we learned that the AI is strong, has a beautiful screen, great sounding speakers, carbon battery, silicon carbon, which will last you way more than the previous version. The only downgrade from the Pro version is lack of autofocus in wide-angle lens for the video, and the telephoto is not so vast. You see, the Pro version has that big periscope zoom. This doesn't have that. But do you really use so much zoom in the real life? Maybe you do. So go with the Pro, link in the description. This is still the best small smartphone, the most powerful, the best. There's also a Vivo Mini, which has autofocus in wide angle. So, but the battery is not that great, like in a Xiaomi. So if you like to have a long-lasting, extremely powerful smartphone, 15 is the way to go. A link in the description for the discount code, free shipping, and it's already on a sale. How crazy is that? See you next video.